Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create a tonnage report here based on Shipperwise group types in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the documentation module. Here, we have to select the report documents menu under the documentation module. On this page, we have to select the tonnage report here. On this tonnage report here page, we have to select the date range. And also we have to select the group type as Shipperwise. Then we have to click the submit button. Now we can view the report with shipper code, shipper name, department, gross weight. Here we can download the tonnage report here using the download option. This is how to create a tonnage report here based on Shipperwise group types in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.